So Steve, we've got the transmission out of your 2001 E350. That's what it looks like when it's all apart. We'll go over a few things in the video with what we found inside, and Eric will contact you a little bit later on with estimates on what is it going to take to repair this thing. So we'll look in the pan first, and you can see the kinds of materials that we were finding in the pan, which obviously required taking the transmission out to have a look inside. So when we got inside there, we found some clutches that were burned. If you look at this disc here, you can see what it should look like. The steel plate should look like this, but you can see there's some hot spots there, some slippage on this disc. So this clutch here has been slipping. This clutch here, we have much the same situation where you can see the black line there. So this clutch plaque has also been slipping. This one here, we've got the same situation. You see what the disc should look like there, and you can see how black that disc is. Exact same situation. This clutch has been slipping as well. This is more what it should look like. You can see this friction, nice brown color, and the steel plates don't have any heat spots on them. So this clutch pack here wasn't actually slipping. This one here is for second gear. It's going to be a big reason why we had no second gear, of course, and the real damage I'll show you in a second, but the clutch here has been slipping really badly. So all these plates are all going to be garbage. The band, same situation. See the black line on that? That has also been slipping. So obviously lots of things have been slipping inside here. The real story is told. You can look at these pieces here, which are part of our mechanical diode, and basically the mechanical diode is blown up. This is supposed to be a one-way clutch that only allows it to turn one way and lock the other, but as you can see, I mean, the thing's all blown up. This set of clutches wraps around these teeth, and that's what's supposed to give you second gear, and obviously with things blown up like that, that's creating our no second gear problem. Material's gone through the pump and may be hard to pick up, but the pump itself is actually quite scored up, and that's from the material going through there. We got some bearings that are showing some signs of pitting as well, so that's going to have to be taken care of as well. And there's also fairly common wear. It may be hard to pick up, but you can see how we've got some wear. You can see what the case looks like. This is an unworn portion. You can see this lip here is not supposed to be there. There's another spot where that material there is worn away, and that allows this whole center support to start flexing inside the bore like that. And we need these sealing rings in here to seal the forward clutch oil properly. So this has to be held stationary. When we have wear like that, this whole thing is moving up and down, and now the pieces are not being supported properly. So there is a fix for that, where we cut down the aluminum and then we put a snap ring in behind there, and the snap ring will contact the whole way around instead of just these little points here, and then we'll eliminate that wear in that location as well. So that's kind of what we saw inside the unit. Eric will contact you later, like I said, and we'll let you know the costs involved, but that's pretty much what we found inside.